Welcome to Thought Spot. Before getting into the video, subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos. Get ready to test your knowledge about the greatest innovations and the brilliant minds behind them. Let's get started. Who invented the telephone? What did the Wright brothers invent? Who is credited with inventing the printing press? What was invented by James Watt? Who invented the World Wide Web? Who invented the first practical automobile? What did Benjamin Franklin famously discover? What invention is Samuel Morse known for? Who invented the theory of relativity? Who invented dynamite? What did John Logie Baird invent? Who is credited with inventing the electric battery? What did Guglielmo Marconi invent? Who invented penicillin? What did Eli Whitney invent? Who invented the first programmable computer? What was invented by George Eastman? What did Louis Braille invent? Who is credited with inventing the safety elevator? What did Wilhelm Röntgen discover?